Hello guys, this is a video on how to remove a gearbox from Nissan Patrol GR year 98 3.0 DE. First we will remove the upper cover of the gearbox on the upper side, in the inside. You have one screw here underneath the ashtray, one here on the side and one on the other side. And then you remove the gear knobs. You just unscrew it. This one goes easily. The gear ratio goes very hard. I use this for oil filter. It goes really hard, so don't give up. So you remove it, remove the plastic with the rubber underneath, I don't know if you see it, and remove this piece of metal altogether. The next step is to get under the car and remove the shield underneath the gearbox. You see here, you remove it. You can undo the bolts on master cylinder. Yes. Then you remove the drive shaft. You remove the screws on both sides. See, it is very heavy, so be careful. You just tap it here with hammer a little, it will go out. Then the next step is to remove the front drive shaft too. The same process. Yes. Then you can remove the sway bar, undo it here and let it hang in the air. Here you can see that I have removed the starter motor. You have two bolts on the upper and bottom side. You just move it to the side. The drive shafts are out. You have to remove all of this wiring and connectors and everything. And we are going up now.